EKM's mission is to enable small and medium-sized businesses to succeed online.
I absolutely love working for EKM. It's definitely a job that doesn't feel like a job. And to see everyone just legitimately love what they do and to see how important that is to the company as well, it's just contagious and you can't help but love it too.
I've seen EKM grow from that tiny office that we had in Darwin to the huge campus that we've got in Preston. It was a shame that we had to start working from home, as the office was a real lively place full of really talented people that I got to work with. But working from home has its benefits. I got to spend more time with my growing family, and the commute is definitely a lot better.
When we first got sent home to work from home, I was kind of sad because I missed working with all my friends every day in the office, but it's been over a year now and I'm well used to working at home. And if you work from home, just think of all the time you save on your commute. You know, you can put extra hours in at work, or you can start off a little bit later if you fancy. And also all this extra time has meant that I've been able to care for my own family during lockdown, which has been an absolute godsend.
I'm really grateful to EKM for giving me the opportunity to do something that I really enjoy every day, solving interesting problems and working on a product that hopefully helps a lot of people. Throughout the lockdown, I've been really impressed with how EKM kind of adapted to everybody working from home, and as an employee it was really good to have that security in a kind of uncertain time where a lot of people were struggling, a lot of people didn't really know what were going on, but it felt good to have EKM behind me every step of the way.
Whilst we've all been working from home, EKM has done such a good job at making everybody still feel connected. From daily catch-ups with your team and other EKM colleagues to Friday night socials like murder mysteries, virtual crystal maze and so much more. Thanks for keeping us all going, we really appreciate it.
I started my job with EKM last year during the pandemic, and I've been working remotely now for almost a year. Although I've never met the majority of the staff, the company and all the employees have made me feel so welcome and part of the team, and I can't wait for the day that I can meet all the amazing people that I work with finally.
Amazing achievement for the whole team. It really is amazing, isn't it?
It is. Top 100 company to work for, one of the top 50 technology companies to work for, and we're also in the top 100 in the Northwest companies to work for. So it's just, and also getting a 3-star award, which means we're a world-class company to work for, which is just phenomenal.